Khumulungni Government Degree College Kokborok Department ni Luwaji Mumbai Kokborok as a lookout of literature and linguisticni Salnwi bagui international seminar Panda Songchajakha Khumulungni Government Degree College o Salnwi Pandao narwayungui thangui manjagika Tripura University ni Vice Chancellor Ganga Prasad Prasin tongkha TTADC ni CM Purnachandra Jamatia TTADC ringbedek ni EM Rabindra Debbarma songrok narwayrokno khumbochop tei risariwi lamsokjakha Pandao tei manjaknai narwayrok jotono Kokborok literature tei linguisticni tuino nangkukmani koklam narakleikha o salni Songchajak seminar Pandao.
Laikha Saiklangjakha sini Kokborok जों बुसकांगो बो लामासनि जों डेभलप खायनाय अमो जों दैबो जोंनि एक्सपार्ट दं जोंनि Kokborokनो दैबो रिसर्च खायदोंनाय दं जोंनि अफिसार दं प्रोफेसर असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर स्पेशली Kokborok नि उंगुइ दंनाय दं दैबो बिसिङाव थाङो जोंनि Kokborokनो गोमाय दंजा Kokborok गोमाय दंजा वार्डब्लक बत्रनो जों नायदों दैबो जों फोकास खायनाय ना दानिके जों गोबांमा Kokborok साथेनायाव दाबो मिक्स उंगुइ थांखा जे कोनो वार्ड जों साइसिमालिया जे Kokborok बाय कोनो केतमा होनाय जों साइसिमालिया अमा हाय जिनिसबो जोंनि बुसकांगो खाय सब खायखा और जागा जों जतनो साइमानो जे लैंग्वेज इनके कायसे कम्युनिकेशन नि मीडिया अथच जों जोंनि Kokno तुलुक पावै कायसे कुछ वार्ड पावै साइसिमालिया था जों से साइमालिया जोंनि अक्रा रक जोंनि माखा रक जोंनि पुरापुरि रक बर' काहाम के साइमानो जे माने जुगनि दाराते गोमाय थांखा ओ माने रकनो सुताबो तुलुक जोंनि Kokborok बायके सिनिलिया था ध्यान कोइनाय मुसुबो जोंनि अरने जे रिसर्च खायदोंनाय assistant professor especially जे Kokborok नो दै दंनाय दं दैबो जोंनि एक्सपार्ट दंनो तो बवै इंटरनेशनल सेमिनार होनथों नैनि नेशनल स्टेट सेमिनार होनथों जों अर जागा जों पार्टिसिपेट नबो जों दैसा माने आउटपुट रमानाय जा हमा हाय डिग्निटरीज रनो जों दैबो काहां के तो बवै जों माखना लायनाय दानिके जों गोबांमा Kokborok सुइदुं दं ताबो माने जों सिनिबाया खहायसि जों नुया जों सिया माहायके Kokborok सुइनायबो दंबो बरनो जों बाहायके फोकास तो बनाय हमबो जों डिपार्टमेंट नि उंगुइ स्पेशली Kokborok डिपार्टमेंट नि उंगुइ बा स्टेट नि ट्राइबल वेलफेयर नि उंगुइ जों बाहायके बुसकांगो दैसा बहाय बरनो एनकारेज खायमाना दानिके गोबांना एक्सपार्ट दं बनि फैमिली बैकग्राउंड हायनि बागै बय पब्लिकेशन खायनायनि होनथों बा नैनि प्रोटेक्शन खायना रोंनानै होनथों बनि जुगिया उंगुइ दं अमा हायराव गोबांना दंबो ओंखाय जों दिनै अमनो आं स्पेशली स्टुडेन्ट दंनो सानानि मुसुबो फायदि ताबोनि सिमिनि चिनि भाषा चिनि Kok जों बाहायके दैबो कुसुबो गारमा अमनो जों वान सलायनि नांनाय जों चिनि Kokनो इम्पोर्टेंट रोल नांनाय जे बेनि जागा थांखाके जों नौनि भाषा तमा बुके अनेक बरक लासि जागो Kokborok कि छायां बाय दिनै मादार टांग तांबो के भाषा बरक मादार टांग Kokborok कि छानानै लासि जाबाय यो ओ जरावो जों भाषावै ताबो जोंनि Kokborokनो दैबै दिनै अमाहाय इम्पोर्टेंट सेमिनार लाइक माने ग्रेट इनिशिएटिव नाका जोंनि खमलं डिग्री कलेज नि स्पेशली Kokborok डिपार्टमेंट जे अमाहाय सेमिनार खायनाय उनै इनिशिएट नामानि म ब्लाइक इम्पोर्टेंट हायसि दिनै जों अरो सिगमते हलो Kok सालाय दंबो अमखौनो बेलु करे आसो सिमिया अम ब्लाइक बेलु हायसि म हायरनो दैबै जों आसलायनि नांगौ सालायनि नांगौ दिनै जों चिनि बुसकांगो एक्सपार्ट दंनो बुमाखा जों सि Kokborok दंनो दै आसो रिसर्च खाया नि सुया बा ताम सुनाय बिसिङाव थाङै गारिनानैनो जों जियासो नायखौनो जे नायनि रक्ताबो जे ककब्रकनो दै बोसकांनो बाहायके बर'नि वानसम दं अमर दै रिसार्च खायनाय दं बर'नि बांनो के ब्लै नांबानि अमर जोंनि ओ सेमिनार स्पेशली दै को नांगौ माने के जोंनि स्टुडेन्ट दं जे ककब्रक बोसो इम्पोर्टेन्ट जोंनि बागै जोंनि कक जों बोसो इम्पोर्टेन्ट अमर जों जतनु प्राउड फील खायनाय नांगौ क्या और पाइथागो साने मुसुगु जोंनि और टेक्निकल सेशन में जे गोबां स्पीकर खायनाय बर'जोंनो सायख्लांनाय मिरावनो सायख्लांनाय स्पेशली स्टुडेन्टनो सायख्लांनाय मिराव काहां के बुझुई जाते मिरावनि केरियाराव अमो सामं नांनाय जा जों नोट खायमारा रोंनाय मुइतो खायमारा रोंनाय जे जोंनि टेक्निकल एक्सपर्ट कक साइक्लां माने जोंनि ककब्रकनो दै जों बोसकाङाव बाहायके एप्रिसिएटनाय हम हायरनो सामानिनो जों नावनि केरियाराव सामं नांनाय जा अमो जों माना रोंनाय दानि जे जोंनि माहाय भाइस चेन्सेलर हाय जोंनि अरनि डाइरेक्टर हाय ओ बर'रक दिनै फाइलै निरनो कायसा कक साजेसन दं माने जों बनो वानसुई मानानाय जे बर' हाय आसो डिग्निटारिस बर' आसो इम्पोर्टेन्ट पर्सन दिनै निरनो कक सानायनि बागै फायखा इंगे जों अमनो वानसु मानानाय जे एरें एरें बर' फाइलै निरनो साइक्लांया जों चिट्ठी आसे जोंनि ककब्रकनो जिनिरो वानसु याफानो नुनाय केबा बर' एक्सपर्ट बर' माने एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिवली बर' बाहायके डेभलप खायनाय जोंनि टकनो हम हायरनो बर' दैबो साइमानो इंगे बर'नि ककनो हके निरो कायसानो दाखिबिदि टेक्निकल सेशनो जे कक सालामनि स्पेशली नो वानसु तंग हायके ककब्रकनो दै पॉजिटिव सुइनाय स्टडी सुइनाय गोबां बय सुइनाय
Take this opportunity to welcome our today's chief guest, Professor Ganga Prasad Prasen, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Tripura University. It is indeed an honor and privilege to have you grace this occasion with your presence. We are grateful for your belief in our mission and your continuous encouragement to strive for greater heights. We eagerly anticipate your valuable address you will share with us on behalf of our college. I once again extend my heartfelt thanks and welcome for gracing this occasion and wish that you have a pleasant and productive visit, sir. I would also like to extend a heartfelt welcome to today's inaugural program inaugurator Sri Purnachandra Jamatia, Honorable CM PPAATC. Sir, your presence adds great value this international seminar and we are deeply honored to have you with us today. Once again, I warmly welcome you, sir. Next, I would like to extend a warm welcome to our today's special guest, Sri Ravindra Deporma, Honorable EM, Education and Culture, PPAATC. We are deeply grateful for your invaluable guidance and constant support in organizing this seminar in a planned manner. Welcome and thank you, sir, for joining us today. I am also honored to welcome our guest of honor, Sri Onimesh Deporma, Director, Department of Higher Education, Department of Tripura. Your esteemed presence and expertise in education will enrich our discussion on Kokborok related to various subjects, especially language and literature. Thank you, sir, for joining us today. Never to forget, I also warmly welcome our principal in charge, Dr. Pranajit Bharjan Rai. Your leadership, guidance, and support have been an instrumental in organizing this seminar.
We have options like major, minor, and interdisciplinary. If a student of physics as a major, chemistry as a minor, he can take language as a subsidiary or interdisciplinary. Again, if a student in art subject offer sociology or history as a major, political science as a minor, then he has every right to offer his mother tongue as interdisciplinary. It is given in the syllabus. We cannot deny it. Therefore, in a college in Tripura or maybe all other state, where there are sizable number of students offering, say, their mother tongue maybe Bangla or maybe Kokborok. As an interdisciplinary, then we have to provide teachers. Even we receive a letter from university, in Tripura University, a central university, that if students are willing to study in their mother tongue, even in MA, you provide them. Suppose there are students who are studying MA in political science. As of now, their medium of teaching is English. But if there is a demand from students that, sir, teachers in Bangla, they must teach in Bangla, so we have to. English letter are there. So language has been given freedom now, and the present government of India, under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, is always, thinking for development of the language. The language will be spoken by a few people or large number of people. Importance is same. बराबर है. मातृभाषा सबका बराबर है. चाहे वो 5,000 बोलेगा चाहे 5 लाख बोलेगा, सबका बराबर है. और हमें मातृभाषा में मदर टंग में पढ़ाने का अधिकार मिला है. तो हमारा बहुत अच्छा मौका है. Therefore, I will again repeat that we must provide good facility, infrastructure, etc., for teaching Kokborok. Just now, our Honorable Purna Jamatia sir was telling me that we open MN Kokborok in Government Degree College, Kumrum. I said yes, provided you will teacher and classroom. Only two things we need. Sir, two teachers initially. That not on guest faculty, regular basis. Let us try to open 2 teachers on regular basis plus 2 classroom. Then we shall be happy to open MA Kokborok also. This is the only thing we need. And in Tripura University, we have a department and there are books in the library. I like to urge upon you that if you have any books on Kokborok and if you want to be included or to be purchased in the library, please write name of the author, publisher, and address. We shall immediately purchase and keep in the library of Tripura University, because we have a fund for language development and we should always try to develop this language. Now coming to this international conference, from the abstract book, what I could guess is, I could know that there are 49 paper presenters. This is a large number. 49 paper presenters whose abstract have been printed in this abstract book is a very, very good thing. It is 2 days international seminar, therefore my suggestion is that please present paper very nicely. After the conference is over, you edit. There are editors of Kokborok, Bangla, English here. You please try to find out at least 30 or more. All 40 may not be very, very standard. Out of 49, if you find 30 or 35 publishable, then as a Vice Chancellor, I can help you by finding a good reputed publisher from Delhi. I shall take the responsibility of publishing your edited volume free of cost, and the contributor shall be given 1 copy each, and the remaining copies shall be kept in the library of Tripura University and also in the library of Kokborok Department, Tripura University. So I can help you this, but only thing you have to do as the editor is that you edit all the article thoroughly and prepare preface, content, list of contributor, about authors, about book in a soft copy, all starting from first page to last page, and give to me in the form of soft copy. Then I shall contact a good reputed publisher from Delhi. He will take around 2-3 months. Book will come, and it will be a good addition in the existing literature of Kokborok. I know that we have very, very limited books in the field of Kokborok. We need to write more books. I like to request all those people who love Kokborok, please write more books, more textbooks, more novel, more poem, so that this subject become very, very popular in the state of Tripura and outside also.